Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and today I am going to be showing you a great new yarn value at DollarTree.com. They are starting again to ship, free shipping to store. They stopped for a while because of everything going on, but welcome, and if you're new here, I'm Kim and this is Affordably Crafty, where I show you how to stretch your craft dollar. And I do a lot of unboxings and walkthroughs and DIYs and crochet and vintage crochet, and I alert you when deals come up. So please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any deals, and share if you're so inclined. So let's get into seeing what's on DollarTree.com. This is not sponsored by Dollar Tree in any way. This is all me. Okay, so where is my mouse? There we go. So we're on DollarTree.com. We're going to go to Shop by Department. Where's my mouse? We're going to do the pull down to Arts and Craft Supplies. All the different categories. We're going to go down to Yarn and Fiber Crafts. Get ready to be excited. So, they have Premier Home Cotton right now online. 140 yards, and it's on pick and pack, which means you can order a smaller quantity than a full case. Let's click on the first one. The color Carrot, 140 yards, and it's 85% cotton, 15% polyester. And I really like the fact that this is a little bit more flexible than the other cotton cones that I've had, like Peaches and Cream. I just find it feels better, especially when I'm crocheting with it. So as you can see, it's $1 per unit, but there's a handling fee that applies if you choose a pick and pack, which means a smaller quantity on DollarTree.com. If you want a whole case, it's $36, no handling fee, and it's free ship to store. Okay? So they have Carrot. Let's go back and see what other colors they have. Where'd they go? Go back. Hello. Oh, I had to click back into it apparently. Hold on. We're getting there. There is Summer Kitchen, Black, Lime Green, Pastel Pink. Oh, wait a minute. So the variegated is going to have less yardage. This one has 96 yards. Honeydew. So this one also has 96 yards. The other ones have 131. Pastel Pink. Coral Splash. Pewter. Rainbow. And that's it. So I would hop on here quick and order. I don't know how long these are going to be on here. I have not yet seen these in stores. I have, however, done a haul that has some new yarn varieties at Dollar Tree, one of which is a Premier variety. The other one is Lion Brand. I will link that down below. So one more thing I'm going to show you on this video is people have been asking how to find Crafters Squares. Or, sorry, Dollar Trees that have Crafters Square. So you are going to go back to DollarTree.com. You're going to go up here where it says Store Locator. So you can put in whatever thing you want to. And you put in what you want here, and you click Crafters Square, and then whatever you put in, whatever address or street address or whatever, it's going to come up with stores within X amount of miles. You can pick the amount of miles. So search within, I usually search within like 25 miles. But hey, if you want to take a drive, feel free. And then you can search by ones that have this. Now, generally these are ones that are over 12,000 square feet. So these are your bigger Dollar Trees and the ones that are most likely to have yarny goodness. So I hope that this tip, trick, and deal is helpful to you. If you like what you're seeing and enjoy this content, Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more deals, and share if you're so inclined. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.